Welcome to another comprehensive guide from Ighoud Ceramic Tiles, where precision meets craftsmanship. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of ceramic floor tiling. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional looking to refine your skills, this video is packed with everything you need to know to achieve flawless results every single time. Installing ceramic floor tiles may look straightforward, but to get that polished, durable, and professional finish, there's an art and science to follow. From surface preparation to the final wipe down, each step has to be done with care, patience, and the right tools. Part 1. Understanding the project scope and planning before we touch any materials or tools. It's crucial to understand what this project demands. Planning is the backbone of flawless tiling. You need to assess the room's dimensions, understand the type of ceramic tile you'll be using, and visualize the layout. Ask yourself, what's the subfloor made of? Concrete, plywood, or old tiles? Will you use spacers for consistent grout lines? What pattern do you want? Straight lay, diagonal, herringbone, or custom design? Every successful tiling job starts on paper. Sketch out your plan, measure the space accurately, and calculate the number of tiles, adhesive, and grout required. Always buy 10 to 15% extra tiles to account for cuts, mistakes, and future repairs. Part 2. Tools and materials checklist. Let's take a quick look at the essential tools and materials needed for ceramic tile installation. Tools: measuring tape, chopped line tile cutter, or wet saw rubber, mallet notch trowel tile spacers, mixing bucket, grout float, sponding pads. Materials: ceramic floor tile style adhesive or thin set mortar, grout primer if needed, cement board, or tile backer if required. Having everything ready beforehand saves you from interruptions and helps maintain a steady workflow. Part 3. Surface preparation, the foundation of quality. Now, we move to one of the most critical steps in tiling, preparing the subfloor. Whether it's concrete or a wooden base, it must be level, clean, dry, and free of debris, grease, or old adhesive. If the surface has any cracks or uneven sections, fix them using a self-leveling compound or patching product. If you're installing over plywood, consider adding a cement board underlayment for additional strength and moisture resistance. Secure the board properly with corrosion-resistant screws and tape the joints with fiberglass mesh tape. Dust and debris can weaken the bond between the tile and the adhesive, so take your time vacuuming and wiping down the surface. Part 4. Laying out the tile pattern. Begin your tile layout from the center of the room to ensure a balanced look. Use a chalk line to create intersecting lines across the middle of the floor. These lines act as your guide for placing the first tiles. Dry lay a row of tiles along the lines without adhesive. This test layout helps you identify where cuts will be necessary and how the tiles will align at the edges. It's better to make layout adjustments now than after applying mortar. Remember, you want to avoid having tiny slivers of tile at the edges, which not only look unprofessional, but are also hard to install. Part 5. Mixing and applying adhesive. Time to mix the thin set mortar or tile adhesive. Follow the manufacturer's instructions closely. The consistency should be like creamy peanut butter, not too runny and not too stiff. Using the flat side of your notched trowel, spread a layer of adhesive on a small section of the floor. Then use the notched side to comb the adhesive into straight, uniform ridges. Place each tile carefully and firmly into the adhesive, pressing slightly to ensure full contact. Use tile spacers between each tile to maintain even grout lines. Use a level regularly to check for height consistency. If any tile sits higher or lower, adjust it immediately by adding or removing adhesive. Part 6. Cutting tiles for edges and corners. No room is perfect, so you need to cut tiles to fit around edges, corners, pipes, and fixtures. For straight cuts, a manual tile cutter works well. For more complex shapes like L cuts or circular openings, use a wet saw or tile nipper. Always measure twice and cut once. Accuracy is essential, especially when working near walls or obstacles. When cutting tiles, wear protective eyewear and gloves to protect yourself from sharp edges and flying fragments. Part 7. Laying and set. Patience matters since all tiles are in place. Let them set for at least 24 hours before walking on them or applying grout. Rushing this step can ruin your hard work. During this time, clean off any excess adhesive from the tile surface and joints using a damp sponge. Part 8. Grouting the tile joints after the adhesive is cured. It's time for grouting. Mix the grout until it's smooth and lump-free using a rubber float. Spread the grout diagonally across the tiles, pressing it firmly into the joints. Work in small sections so the grout doesn't dry before you can clean it. After 10 to 15 minutes, wipe away excess grout with a damp sponge, rinsing it frequently. Be careful not to drag grout out of the joints. Let the grout dry according to the manufacturer's instructions, usually between 24 and 72 hours. Part 9. Final cleaning and sealing it. The grout is completely dry. Buff the towels with a dry cloth to remove any haze. For better stain resistance and easier maintenance, consider applying a grout sealer, especially in high moisture areas like bathrooms or kitchens. Clean the floor one last time and admire your work. The result should be a smooth, even, and visually stunning ceramic tile floor that enhances your space for years to come. Part 10. Maintenance tips for long-lasting results. Know that your ceramic tile floor is complete. Proper maintenance will keep it looking new for decades. Sweep or vacuum regularly to prevent dirt from scratching the surface. Clean spills immediately to prevent stains. Use a pH-neutral cleaner designed for ceramic tiles. Avoid harsh chemicals or abrasive scrubbers. Reseal grout lines every few years to maintain protection. Conclusion: installing ceramic floor tiles is a rewarding project that dramatically transforms any space. With the right planning, tools, and attention to detail, you can achieve a flawless floor that combines function and beauty. We hope this step-by-step guide helped you feel more confident about your tiling project. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Ighoud Ceramic Tiles for more in-depth tutorials and professional insights on everything related to ceramic, mosaic, terrazzo, and marble tiling. Thanks for watching and happy tiling. Advanced tips, common mistakes, and pro techniques for perfect ceramic floor tiling. Welcome back to the second part of our in-depth journey through professional ceramic tile floor installation. In this extended segment, we'll go beyond the basics and explore advanced techniques, common errors to avoid, special situations, and expert secrets that will elevate your tiling skills to the next level. This isn't just a tutorial, it's a masterclass. 1. Advanced surface leveling techniques. Even minor imperfections in your subfloor can lead to significant issues over time. Tiles may lift, grout may crack, and you'll end up with uneven flooring. Self-leveling compound best practices. If your floor has dips, slopes, or valleys greater than 1/8 inch over 10 feet, use a self-leveling underlayment. Here's how to do it right. Prime the surface before pouring the compound. Use leveling pins to control the desired height. Work quickly. Most compounds begin setting within 10 to 15 minutes. Use a spike roller to eliminate air bubbles. Never underestimate the importance of this step. The flatter the floor, the better the tile bonding and finish. 2. Working with large format tiles. Large format tiles anything over 15 inches look luxurious, but present specific challenges. They require more adhesive coverage using the back buttering method. Warping is more common. Use a tile leveling system with clips and wedges to keep tiles flat during curing. Use a 1/2 inch notch trowel to ensure enough thin-set coverage. Always lay large tiles with a minimum offset not more than 33% to avoid lippage. 3. Strategic tile layouts for complex rooms. When working in irregularly shaped spaces or rooms with obstacles like pillars, plumbing, or floor drains. Use grid layouts and laser levels to keep your lines straight. Pre-cut all perimeter tiles in advance before placing full tiles. Templating with cardboard or flexible mats can help measure odd shapes perfectly. This minimizes waste and enhances the symmetry and finish of the entire floor. For point 10 common tiling mistakes to avoid. Even experienced tilers can fall into common traps. Here are the most frequent mistakes and how to prevent them. 1. Skipping surface preparation. 2. Using the wrong adhesive for tile type or substrate. 3. Improper trowel size. 4. Not accounting for tile expansion and no movement joints. 5. Inconsistent grout lines. 6. Uneven tile heights. Lippage. 7. Dirty backs of tiles reducing adhesion. 8. Walking on tiles before curing. 9. Incorrect mixing ratios for grout, mortar. 10. Not sealing grout properly. Mastering these small details makes the difference between a job that lasts 2 years versus 20 years. 5. Specialty areas, bathrooms, kitchens, and outdoors. Each environment presents its own challenges. Let's explore how to tile in special areas with maximum performance. Asterisk bathroom floors. Asterisk always use waterproof membranes beneath tiles. Asterisk seal joints where the wall meets the floor with flexible caulk, not rigid grout. Asterisk apply an anti-slip finish, or choose textured tiles for safety. Asterisk kitchen floors. Asterisk use grease-resistant grout and easy-to-clean ceramic finishes. Asterisk consider installing tiles under appliances for full coverage. Asterisk use color-matching silicone sealant where cabinets meet tiled. Asterisk outdoor spaces. Asterisk tiles must be frost-resistant and non-porous. Asterisk slope the surface slightly 1 to 2% to allow drainage. Asterisk use modified thin-set mortars rated for exterior use. Asterisk expansion joints are essential in hot, cold climates. Asterisk 6. Pro installation tricks you should know. Asterisk let's now go through some real pro tips used by experienced tile setters. Asterisk back buttering. Apply thin set to the back of each tile, in addition to the floor to increase bonding. Asterisk use a laser level to ensure tile rows stay aligned, especially over long distances. Asterisk butter the corners of tiles extra thick if you notice corner lifting or rocking. Asterisk diagonal layout trick. Start from the center of the room corner to corner, perfect for decorative or visual impact. Asterisk dampen concrete before applying thin set to avoid moisture being sucked out too quickly. Asterisk these are the kinds of steps that make your work look top tier and ensure long-term satisfaction. Asterisk 7. Cleaning and protection post installation. Asterisk after grouting. You may notice a grout haze left on the tile surface. To remove it, asterisk wait at least 24 hours. Asterisk use a grout haze remover or a vinegar and water mix for non-polished tiles only. Asterisk buff the tile with a microfiber cloth for a perfect shine. Asterisk you may also apply a penetrating sealer to the grout to protect from water and stains, especially in bathrooms or kitchens. Asterisk cover the floor with protective sheeting if other construction work is still ongoing. Asterisk 8. Long-term maintenance and troubleshooting. Asterisk even a perfectly installed tile floor can fail if maintenance is neglected. Here are key rules. Asterisk gray seal grout every 1 to 2 years. Asterisk replace cracked grout or caulk immediately to prevent water intrusion. Asterisk for stained tiles. Use a poultice cleaner, never harsh chemicals. Asterisk avoid dragging heavy furniture directly on tiles. Use pads or sliders. Asterisk if a tile comes loose after months or years, carefully remove it, clean the cavity, and reinstall using fresh adhesive and grout. Asterisk 9. When to call a professional. Asterisk while many aspects of ceramic tile installation can be DIY friendly, some situations do warrant professional intervention. Asterisk radiant floor heating systems. Asterisk tiling over damaged concrete. Asterisk multi-floor installations. Asterisk large commercial spaces. Asterisk if you're ever unsure about structural integrity, waterproofing, or specialty adhesive compatibility, get expert advice. Asterisk 10. Final words of mastery. Asterisk by now, you've gone far beyond the basics. You've explored every step, every trick, every challenge that comes with floor tile installation. The next time you start a project, you'll be equipped not only with tools and materials, but with knowledge and confidence. Asterisk ceramic tiling is more than a trade. It's an art, a skill, a legacy. Every tile you place becomes a part of the structure's soul, whether it's a cozy home, a sleek office,